Okay, so Piper today got two called My Mini Babies. And let's see what she got. We're excited. Okay, you open yours and I'll open this one. Or do you want to open both? You want me to do one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, so you find that line. And you gotta pull it down. Do that.
I'll just do that. We're not
And
gonna
here's
do
the ball.
one.
This one doesn't make any noise. When you get yours open, shake it. Pull it all the way off.
Okay.
Okay, shake it. Jingle, jingle. Let's see what you got. Okay, then we gotta tear it again. See this one? Gotta pick it and tear it again. She's so excited to see what she got.
I'll just do one.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Here's the ball. Here, I'll help you. You got it?
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Then when you open it up, everything's in bags still. And it comes with a little checklist of what you get.
Can I open the
Shows
bag?
you what you could get.
I want to open.
Yeah, you can open the bags. She's still opening up her ball.
Oh.
Here, ready? Nope, not yet. There you go. Okay, let's get this trash out of the way. Whoa! Uh-oh. Did that come out of this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's start opening up the little packs. But you gotta hold it up so we can see what you got.
Mama, you open these ones, mine.
Okay, let's see. This is the baby. Let's see.
There's a baby boy.
We don't know yet, but he's so cute. He's so squishy. Look at this little squish. Oh my goodness. This is the cutest thing ever.
Oh, a little diaper.
You got a little diaper. She got the Stitch. This one is the Stitch baby.
Mama, I think I got a baby boy or a baby girl.
I think you got a boy. Oh, and it came with a little chair. This is the little bouncy chair. Okay, let's see what else came in this one. Oh my goodness.
A little bag.
It's the little bouncy chair. Look, this one is the Moana. The girl. She got a little dress.
Is that mine?
Little dress.
Was that mine?
Yeah. And the little Moana headband and the little
I think this.
pig from the movie. Look. Look, sis.
Oh.
Little toy for her.
Why did her give this? Where's my baby? It's in here.
Let's see. And then this is the stroller. She got the Moana stroller. Which I could tell from the rattling noise.
Mama, come my little girl.
Oh my goodness, you got one that's so cute. Do you love her?
Yeah.
Look, here's the other baby she got. So cute. So cute. Adorable little babies. Now she has two squishy little babies.
Now what are these?
Let's see. Oh, this goes to the stroller. See, this one's the stroller. I have to build it. So, it definitely came in a lot of little pieces. We gotta put together the stroller for her.
Mine needs this. I think why didn't them put a different outfit because them didn't have enough of bag.
Yep, so she got two babies, a stroller, and a little bouncy chair seat. We gotta put that together too. It came in pieces as well. So, we'll get that all put together. She's gonna play with these today. This is gonna be so much fun. Okay, and now we have everything put together. We got the little stroller. It's the Moana stroller, so cute. And the Moana baby came with a little headband. I don't know if you can see that in there all the way, but came with a little Moana headband. So cute. And
piggy.
Yep, and the little piggy from the Moana movie.
And a little bottle blonde with a little Stitch baby. And I got a little bib and a little pants.
Little diaper pants cover. And little toys hang from the little chair. Came with a little bottle. This was so cute. So that is everything that came with the babies. Okay, say see you later, guys.
See you later, guys.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.